going to guide you on how to turn on Bluetooth and connect devices on Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom, then click on the search icon. Then you are going to search for settings. Then go and open settings. Then it will land you here on settings. So you are going to go to devices. You are going to see Bluetooth and other devices. So here, in order to turn on Bluetooth, you are just going to click on this button to turn it on. Then to connect to other devices, you are just going to click on add Bluetooth or devices. So ensure that you have turned on the Bluetooth for the device, and also you turn on this one of yours, then add another device.